by the general public. Since mystery thriller and may solving cases siya na genre, it's not the usual na rom-com or romance. Meron bang pressure on that part na hindi nakasanayan ng tao?
Ako talaga yung spokesperson. Okay.
By the general public. Since mystery thriller and may solving cases siya na genre, it's not the usual na rom-com or romance. Meron bang pressure on that part na hindi nakasanayan ng tao?
Ako talaga yung spokesperson. Okay. Well, personally, I think yes, we can all agree na there is that pressure. Ako, lalo na po siguro, since lahat naman po kami, we did our homework, we've read the books, and we understand na grabe yung world na binild ni Rain dito for the Project Loki universe. And of course, at the end of the day, lalo na, I can speak for myself that as a Wattpad reader ever since, and just a reader in general, and seeing live adaptations for books, I understand how much that means to the fans. And I think at the end of the day, yung pressure really comes from wanting to give back to them for, giving so much love, not only to the book, pero lalo na when we did the cast reveal. And I also want to take this moment to really say thank you to Rain for really galvanizing this to the fan base, and for introducing us and welcoming us with open arms dito sa project na to. And ayun, I think dun nang gagaling personally yung kaba. Kasi we all have the same goal here. We want this to be a good show. We want it to be faithful. We want it to connect with people. And it really lies there, personally for me. But it's a good kind of pressure kasi every day on set, we're never complacent. Like, we're always striving to improve and make each day better. We're always inspired to keep pushing ourselves to be better as a unit, as the Project Loki family.
And also just to add to sinabi ni Jada, yes, definitely nandiyan yung pressure. Before starting Project Loki, I had a talk with each and every one of the actors. Sabi ko, sige, as we read all the chapters sa book, let's read then at the same time all the comments. Kasi it's very important to know the side of, of the readers then of what they're looking forward to, diba? So that's that. We got that out of the way na parang, okay, ito may mga 1,000 comments dito. Gets. We understand that people are really looking forward to this. And at the same time, like right now, as we shoot, the players have been really patient. Dahil sa, ang alam naman nila to, hindi naman namin tinatago sa kanila na ang dami talagang pinagdaanan ng proyekto. And they're always there to, kumbaga, para ipagtanggol along with our authors, na ipagtanggol na, things are happening for a reason and para ito sa ikagaganda ng proyekto. So yun lang. That's what's anchoring us. Maski pagod na kami, maski, nawawala lahat ng pagod at puyat at dugo at iyak. Marinig lang yung mga positive, all the positive feedback that's all bringing us together at the same time.
Yeah, I think Jada and Direct Ian said it all. Pero yeah, just to answer your question, yes po, hindi rin po naman naiiwasan din yung pressure. But at least it's good pressure for each and every one of us. And all I can add is just that we've been doing our best, and we will always do our best para ma-meet ang mga expectations nyo, di ba? And what else? Ang ganda na sagot yun. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, maraming salamat po na moving